Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the cryptographic sequencer equipped and the terminal in sight. Move into range and lock on. Press the hack button to trigger the minigame. Don't pause. Read the color pattern and match it quickly. Once the sequence starts, watch the timer and ignore background alarms unless they reach critical. Make your first match deliberately. The game punishes rushed, random inputs. You're doing this to open doors fast, preserve stealth, and avoid guards converging on your position. Once you're in the middle of a hack, concentrate on timing and consistent inputs. Match each node in order and keep a steady rhythm. You'll see patterns shift, so pause for a breath, then resume with intentional presses. Make micro-adjustments rather than sweeping motions because overcorrection triggers errors. If a node fails, don't mash buttons, back out one step and re-enter cleanly. This method reduces alarm builds and increases success rates, which matters when you're trying to bypass. Finish by entering the last sequence deliberately and listen for the verification tone before interacting with the door or device. Rushing causes resets. If an alarm spikes to max, withdraw immediately, relocate roughly 10 to 20 meters, and retry from a different angle. Guards reset faster than terminals. For low battery, swap or recharge in cover. Being interrupted mid-hack is the common failure. One troubleshooting tip. If patterns glitch, pause, back out entirely, then reinitiate the sequence to clear transient bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.